Hello, I'm Chris Morrissey, Bosch Home Comfort Factory HVAC trainer. Today we're at the IBS Outdoor Show Village. We are showcasing our Bosch Mini Split Climate 5000 ductless equipment. Today what I'm showing you is our indoor system. We have 9 one-way ceiling cassettes controlling this house. This is a 1,500 square foot house. Each individual room has its own thermostat and its own control inside. Our thermostats are controlling the individual head in each individual room. These rooms are powered by an outdoor unit. The outdoor unit sits outside and it connects to either 4 or 5 heads on the inside. Each room is zone controlled for its cooling or heating demand. This is a load matching system. We're only going to supply the cooling or heating as the load requires it. So what we're looking at here is a ceiling mount cassette that's flush mount with our ceiling. The louver up there is our supply air. The louver opens and closes depending on the load in the room. As there's more of a demand, our fan motor ramps up and our outdoor unit delivers more refrigerant. As the people leave the room and our load goes away, the fan motor backs down, the louvers go up. The center of that is our filter area. All the return air goes in the center grill. It has a filter in there. It's on 4 motorized motors. The grill will drop down. You can change your filter and put your grill back up. One of the assets with the Bosch Ductless Mini Split is how we can wire up a wired mount controller on the wall to control our thermostat temperature, or a remote. If I use a remote, I can put the remote wherever I'm located in the room. I can be in my chair watching a football game, or I could be walking to the refrigerator. We have the technology to give the end user the ability now. Do they want a remote control to sense temperature, or do they want a wired controller on the wall? One of the benefits of having a zone system is to be able to have climate control in the room in which you're in. For instance, at night, in Florida, we like our rooms cooler at night to sleep, so I can take my master bedroom and drop that temperature down to 68. While my in-laws are on the other side of the house in the kitchen, they like it a little warmer. They have the ability to have that air conditioning set at, say, 72. So different lifestyle patterns. We have different comfort control. At Bosch, we have the ability to deliver that in each room and each person where they're comfortable. Also here at the home show, we're proud to sponsor the Cavco homes with our same piece of equipment. We have a 5-port system here, conditioning 5 different zones inside this home. To learn more about Bosch, please visit us at bosch-homecomfort.us for all your heating and cooling needs.